Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with A. So I'm your boy A. So today we are going to deploy Node.js app to AWS EC2 instance. So let's go. First, let's share my screen. So I already mentioned all the steps in .gist file. So the link of that file is in the description. Please have a look on it. After that, the first step is create an account. If you don't have an account, you have to create an AWS account. So after that, after creating your account, go to the EC2 dashboard. Yeah, click launch instance. Give the name of the instance. Let's write node app test for now. Yeah, node app example for now. Yeah. After that, select Ubuntu. I am launching the Ubuntu free tier instance because we are just practicing. Yeah, I'm selecting free tier. You can select according to your needs and requirements. Yeah. So let's create a new pair. The name of the pair will be Node App Example. It's already created. Node App 2. Yeah, Node App 2. Create up here. Yeah, boom. So let's copy the pair. Let's copy the. Let's move the pair onto desktop. Done. So launch the instance now. It takes few seconds. So our instance is launched now. Yeah, done. Yeah. So after that, the next step is SSH into instance for running this command. So go on to the terminal first. Open the terminal. Open the terminal. No, cd desktop. Go to the desktop because our file is on the desktop. Our key pair file is on the desktop. So cd into desktop. Paste the command. So it's time to edit this command. Key pair name is node app2. Key pair name is same the name of the file node app2. After that, Ubuntu IP address. What's the IP address? IP address is this. This is our IP address. Copy the IP address. Paste it. Click enter. Yes. Are you sure? Yeah. Yes. We are connecting to it. Yes. Boom. Done. We are file or this permission issue. Yeah. So chmod. Let's write the command chmod 600 node app 2.pam. It will allow access to this file. Now run this command again. Boom. Oh, we successfully logging into our AWS instance now from our machine. So after going to AWS instance, what's the next step? The next step is to update the packages by running this command. Let's copy this command and paste into the terminal. Boom. So it will update all the packages, all the dependencies in our EC2 instance. Done. It takes a few seconds, few times. Yes, it's running, it's installing. Yeah, done. Clear the terminal. So after that, install Node.js for running this command. So it's time to install Node.js. Copy the command, paste it, enter. Yeah, it takes few seconds, Done. Yeah. It's installing me. Installing it takes few 1 minute. Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes. Done. Clear the terminal. So let's check the node. If the node is installed, it's not node minus v node just merger. Oh, node just installed now. Yeah, done. So after that, install the git. Git. Copy the command, paste it. Done. Yeah. So after that, the next step is clone the GitHub repo. Go to GitHub. Go to github.com. I have many public repositories, so I'm using my repository at the moment. So I'm using this repository at the moment, Node, file upload, Express Melter. If you don't know how to create Node.js app, how to create authentication API, how to create CRUD API using MongoDB, so all the links are in the description. So please have a look on it. So let's clone this repo inside our terminal by writing the command create clone. Done. Boom. So it clones the repo. So the next step is install dependencies. For installing dependencies, navigate to the app. So let's ls go to the app, copy the folder name, cd node app. Done. Clear the terminal. So let's run npm install to install all the dependencies. So npm install all the packages, all the dependencies, create the node module folder. So done. So then the next step is run the app. So run the app using npm start server.js, because my main file is server.js, so it's run the server.js. You see API is running now. So let's access the API here. Yeah, the main point, we missed the main point. So the main point is, before accessing the API, we have to go to the security. We have to edit the inbound rules of our instance. So let's go into security tab on our EC2 instance. Yeah, so go into the security rules, edit inbound rules, add the rule, custom TCP port. Our app is running on port 3000. So let's select 3000. So anywhere, anything. Yeah, add that rule. Add that rule made. It's important. If we didn't add this rule, so we can't access to our API. We can't access API from the API address. So that's why I am adding this rule. Save rules. Boom, done. So after that, run API is running now. So access this API from the access this API. Go to the instance. Copy the IP address. Copy the IP address. Yeah. IP address, enter the address, run port 3000, done. Boom, hello world. You see, now we are accessing our Node.js application from AWS EC2 instance. Then that's done, mate. That's simple. So now what? So now what if we close our instance? So our app will be go down. App will be going down because our app is running. If the instance is running, if we want to run our app in background, so we have to install PM2. What's PM2? PM2 is a uh, production process manager for Node.js application. And let's go on to Google. Let's run npm PM2. It's a process manager for Node.js application. Yeah, it allows you to keep application alive forever. Yeah, it's never down your application. Yeah, your application is always running on cloud. That's it. Yeah, so let's install PM2. But copy this command, npm install PM2 -p, paste it, done. So this command install the PM2 in our EC2 instance. Then going. It takes some time. What's the instance? Oh, permission denied. So let's try with sudo npm install. Yeah, let's try with sudo because it's not giving our administrator permission issue. So I'm trying with sudo. So the packages will be installed now. Yeah, it takes few minutes. Done. Yeah, so let's write this command pm2 start. pm2 start sudo. Let's start with sudo pm2 start server.js. Then our app is like API. Our app is live now, May. So we can access our app. Port 3000. Port 3000. What's up? What's the pm2 logs? pm2 start server.js online. Yes, we are accessing it from HTTPS. It's HTTP. Oh, live me. So our app is working now with PM2. That's it. If we close our terminal, let's run. You see, our app is still live now. Our app is still live on cloud. That's it. So that's all the simple steps to deploy an Node.js application to AWS EC2 instance. So that's it, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and like this video, made it will give me a motivation to make this good content for you guys. So let's keep sharing, keep learning, keep doing code, mate. That's it from my side. So see you in next video. So if you want to learn all how to create CRUD application, how to work with authentication, how to work with JWT, how to work with Passport.js. All the video links are in description. Please go through that all the videos and enjoy all the videos. That's it. So have a nice day, man. So have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye. Bye.